This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Christian Monasati. Unique split-bedroom floor plan, located in the quiet, active, adult golf community of Ocala Palms Golf and Country Club. This country club home is well maintained. The kitchen area connects on one side to the living/dining room with a comfortable family room on the other side, leading to creating two different atmospheres. The well-sized master suite has two walk-in closets, a large and comfortable master bathroom with double sink, vanity, separate shower and soaking tub. The second and third bedrooms share the second bathroom. This home also has a laundry room equipped with washer, dryer, utility sink and coat closet, two-car garage plus a third garage bay for your golf cart. The Ocala Palms Golf and Country Club 55+ community encompasses an 18-hole golf course, clubhouse complex including outdoor lap pool, poolside jacuzzi and indoor heated pool, restaurant, tennis courts, bocce ball courts, fitness center, library and billiards room. Nearby you will find a shopping center with supermarket, banking, restaurants, fast food and numerous smaller shops. Ocala Palms is located in the heart of Ocala Horse Country, very close to the World Equestrian Center, WEC, and emergency medical facilities. Please call for more information or to schedule a showing appointment. For more information,